Hey, what is up, peeps? So I thought, you know what, I'll give you guys an update on what's going on the last few days. And it's not been a lot because it's vacation, so not a lot at all. I'll do a feeding video on the pond and show you around what's been going on here. Stay tuned. Hey guys, my name is Cedric and welcome to my channel Vertigo 117. So I must say the fish are doing fine. Temperatures are way more stable now that the pond is way bigger, and as you can see, they're still begging for food. It takes a little while before they eat everything, but I just give them small amounts. I would say 3 to 4 times in a week. Every time with a day in between. But they quite like their new environment, so all good with them. Okay, so this is a project that I've been working on for about a month. I just got an apple. For me it was a pink lady. Just got the apple, ate it, and put these seeds in some earth, some soil, some plain potting soil, and I'm actually pretty happy with the result. As you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, and I planted 1 seed in each, except for this one I planted 2, and yeah, I'm pretty happy with the result, as I said. Now it's not too late if you guys want to do the same. I think you can go up till end of January to do the same. They need to have cold, so if you have like a greenhouse outside or something like me, a small greenhouse thingy would suffice. And I keep it in my porch or veranda, I'm not sure what you call it. Yeah, and I'm going to try to make bonsais out of them. So still have a long way to go, but I just wanted to do a small update for you guys. So for Christmas I got this magic bean can. Not sure if it's if you will zoom. Come on, focus on it. Yeah, almost there. Why is he not? Anyhow, magic bean can, and there's like a bean inside of it, and I'm going to try to make it grow. I thought it was quite funny to get it, so why not make the best out of it. I'll show you guys later on how I do this. Okay, so for the ginseng ficus tree, these are the cuttings that I had, and as you guys can see, not sure. Like here, there we go. See, there are some white dots on it. These are roots that are starting to sprout. See here, all roots. And that means that everything is going according to plan, so I might get some bonsai out of these as well. You can see, there you go, now you can spot them even better. All those white dots are roots that are starting to sprout, and I change the water out every week to be sure everything grows properly. There are even some new shoots on it, as you can see here. This is a new shoot here as well, and some here. This one as well is a new shoot. So looks like everything is going as it should. Quite happy with this. Now let's get on to the ginseng ficus himself. So a small update on the ginseng like this bonsai. My daughter is assisting me by holding a cover up behind. I've been bending it bit by bit, a bit more, just by twisting the wire here. It used to be all straight, but now I twisted it. That's why I can continue on bending it a bit. Now I did it last week. Not thinking, no, I did it a few days ago, and every week I try to do like a small twist. That way it bends a bit more, and hopefully I'll get it into shape like I want it to. Now for a less funny update, the last months we had quite a bit of water coming in from the neighbors. You can see we have quite a bit of water damage, and yeah, it consumes me a bit internally. We had like mold and all that growing inside, even some in the bedroom, and as you can see, the water just went everywhere, from up there in the ceiling to here, all the way down. And in March they're coming by to fix everything. Now luckily enough, the neighbors already addressed the problem, so there's no water coming in anymore, and it's starting to dry up. But it's a pain in the bum, guys. It's a pain in the bum. Anyhow, let's plant this bean, this magic bean, on a better note. So this should be easy. Can with the magic bean, just need to open it. Yep. And as you can see, there's a soil mix in it. Just pour it out. Oh, bean is already here. Trying to get it out. There you go. Then get this sticker from the back, from underneath, because there's a small hole, a draining hole. There we go. This will do the trick as well. All is made. Okay, now let's put some soil in it. You do the honors. Up to like a bit less. So that we're about a centimeter to 2 centimeters from the top. And then just take the bean. As you can see, there's a heart engraved into it, and just put it in there. Fill it back up. Go. Going to do a quick rinse of this pot off camera. I'll be right back with you. There you have it already. The only thing that's needed now is to water it, and you need to water it every 2 to 3 days. Yep. And if I don't forget, I'll take a picture every day, and on the next video, or maybe the one after that, I'll show you guys what it became. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed the update, and leave a comment if you have any questions. See you on my next video. Take care.